Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally Prime on Android. First, understand that Tally Prime is a desktop application, not a native Android app. To use it on your Android device, you will need to set up a remote desktop connection. This involves ensuring your computer with Tally Prime is running and connected to the internet. A strong, stable internet connection on both devices is essential for a seamless experience. Next, you'll need to set up a remote desktop connection. Download a reliable remote desktop application like Microsoft Remote Desktop or AnyDesk from the Google Play Store onto your Android device. Once installed, open the app and configure it by adding your computer's IP address or hostname. You will also need to input your computer's login credentials to establish a secure connection. With your remote desktop connection established, launch the application on your Android device and select your saved computer profile. Your Android screen will then mirror your desktop computer's display. You can now navigate your computer's interface using touch gestures on your Android device. Simply locate and open Tally Prime just as you would if you were sitting directly in front of your computer. To optimize your Tally Prime experience on Android, always use a strong Wi-Fi connection to minimize lag. For more precise input, consider connecting a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse to your Android device. You might also want to adjust the screen resolution settings within the Remote Desktop app for improved readability. Finally, close any unnecessary applications running on your desktop to ensure Tally Prime runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.